if you want to see how we created this look, then keep watching. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to revive this old ponytail mold. I've been wearing this same ponytail for just about 2 weeks, and it is time for a change. So we're going to take off this drawstring and do something different. The ponytail is still cool. I just had it balled up into a little bun, but the base needs to be refreshed, and that's what we're going to do. So we're going to go ahead and take it apart, take all this down, and do something new, girl. So the first thing we're going to do is just re-wet the base with water because it's still pretty hard in places, and we don't want to make our hair break off. We don't want any breakage, so we're going to wet this gel before we comb it so that we can comb it, okay? This has to be wet before we can manipulate this. Oh girl, we will break off our hair, and that ain't what we want. We want to keep our locks. So let's go ahead and get started and remove the ponytail itself. Like I said, this is just a drawstring ponytail. If you missed this video, I'll have it linked down below as well as on the screen for you. So go ahead and click that one if you were interested in this curly ponytail. I really did enjoy wearing it. It was so much fun. I wore this ponytail for 2 weeks and she still looks good. So I'm going to put her back in the pack and we're going to revisit this baby again later. So she still looks great. So I'm going to set her to the side. We'll just put her right over here. Put her right over there. I'm gonna keep the hairpins close because we still need those. Okay, so now we don't need this pre-wrap because we're going with a different style. Still a drawstring type ponytail, but we don't need the extension. This is something too that I've worn here before on my channel, but today I have a different color to share. So right now I'm just unwrapping the pre-wrap, and this is just like Kanekalon hair that we wrap around the base to make it look like an extended ponytail. Now you can keep this and reuse it or throw it away, but I buy it by the pack, so I have a lot of this hair. I don't really have to keep this piece. I can just toss it. Yeah, and then it was just pinned down, so we're going to keep up with the hairpin. You're going to use your spray water bottle. And wet the base. So what this does is just wakes up that gel to where it's soft again and we can manipulate it. A lot of times we don't even have to add more gel, only to the back if you have hairs coming down like I do in the back, because I didn't sleep with my hair tied up last night. Girl, I came in and went to bed. Because my hair is still relatively laid, we really don't have to take the hair bow off. I don't even think I should. I'm not. You know what? I'm just going to comb it back up just to make it look nice. Just like that. Do you see how I'm just raking it back up? So I did go ahead and take off the rubber band and rubber band my hair once I got it soft enough that I could just run the comb through it. So this is what the new mold looks like, and this is just water and a little more gel added to the back to keep it held up. And here, this is where I'm going to go ahead and hit it with the blow dryer a bit and then tie it down just to make sure all of my hair stay in place. And again, this is the gel that I always use. This is just brown gel that I pick up from the beauty supply store. Really cheap, so you get all of this gel for like $1.10. So this is what I use for hairstyles like this. And now I'm just going to blow dry it a bit and then tie it down, and then we're ready for the ponytail. Because this works for me really good, especially with these little stretchy legs. Tie it down a bit, and I'll leave it tied down, and I'm gonna do my makeup, and we'll be right back to apply the new ponytail. And tying it down just makes it dry a little faster and look a little more creepy. Alright, so this is the swirl bang and bun set with the China bang. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with this, but this is what the stock card looks like inside the packaging. Don't worry, girl, I'll have links down below to this, but I picked this up from my local beauty supply store, and it was $9.99 for the 2-piece set. I've reviewed this one here before in the color number 2. I'll have that video linked down below too, so you can check that out and see how it looks in a more natural color. Because this color here today, I have it in OT27. OT27. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. It's like a blondie color. I wanted something a little more tame, but they didn't have like a more brown, like a 33. They didn't have that, so I went with this one. This was the next best because I wanted to try something different with this, try some color, and yeah, this is what they had. So we're gonna look like Dejanay from the Proud Family today. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get this one on. If I don't like this, I can just switch over to my natural color because I still have it in the color number 2. That one's still pretty, but we're gonna see how this color looks on. I think I might like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the stock card. Just taking that off. So this is what the unit looks like. Alright, so we just have to fit this on top of this, okay? Now if you have a smaller bun, this is gonna work perfectly. Now with me having a bigger bun, my bun is not gonna fit totally in this, but I have a nice way of finessing this, and I'm gonna show you. And it does involve connecting line hair. So I do have, okay, wait, let me show you the bangs too. So here's the bang piece right here. And I do have the matching connector line hair to go with this. So I'll show you that in just a few. But meanwhile, let's go ahead and put the top piece on. The bun, the main attraction, if you will. So I'm gonna open it up as wide as I can. Totally loosened the drawstring. I'm just gonna flip this way a bit. And it's really nice that it has this netting here because that's where you use your hairpins to stick them through. Like I said, if you have thicker hair, it's okay if it doesn't go all the way down. Just make sure the netting goes all the way down like so. Then take your drawstring piece and pull it. So now as you see behind us how tall this is. It's kind of tall, so if that bothers you a bit, then you might not like this style. Okay, so this is how it looks on. This is definitely on, is drawn really tight. And we're gonna take the excess string and just wrap it around and take a hairpin and pin it down. So now we have the string and all that pinned down, okay? So now you're like, what you gonna do with that base? Now I'm gonna show you. We're gonna take the connector line hair and wrap that around, and then it's gonna look like a seamless ninja bun. Okay, it's gonna be cute. It's gonna be cute. I'm liking the color though. This is definitely something different for me. Now there's a few ways that we can attack this. There's no wrong way as long as you like it, okay? But this is what we're gonna do. I'm just gonna take one end and go about it this way. That way I don't have to, if I go this way, then I got to worry about pinning down two ends and concealing two ends, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna grab another pen. Just a standard pen. This is what the pens look like, okay? So now, we're just gonna start the wrapping and the pinning. Just gonna get me a few out because I'm gonna need at least 3 or 4 pins to secure this. I'm gonna start it in the back. I never like to use a whole lot of pins because I feel like I can always feel the pins. So try not to stick yourself too deep and scrape your scalp, because that will make wearing these hairstyles very uncomfortable for you, and you just won't like to do it. Even though they'll be cute to look at, you won't want to do it because you know that you always have some kind of pain from those pins. So I'm just gonna twist it a bit so that it still mimics the look of the bun, if that makes sense. And now I'll just wrap it around. And the goal is to make sure that that netting down bottom is covered. Now on camera, this looks like there's a slight color difference in the hair, and there very well might be, but in person, this does not look that much of a difference. It really doesn't in person. The lighting just makes it look different because the hair texture probably is a little different, but it looks the same, if you know what I mean. So now I'm gonna take the last of it, tuck and pin, tuck it under as tight as possible, and then we just take a hairpin and pin it down. Voila. Like the same color. I will show you what it looks like in natural light as well. That's cool, I like it. All right, now time for the bang. So this is what the bang piece looks like. It has a clip here and 2 down bottom. And it's as simple as attaching them and clipping it down. Just press each clip down, and that's how you attach it. So let's go ahead and get it attached. All right, 1 clip down. Number 2. And number 3. All right, these bangs are a little long, so you can go in and razor cut them to your liking. You can leave them like this. You can do like a swoop over type look with them, if you'd like. Or if the shag look is your thing, just wear them. Just wear it. Just wear it just the way it comes. I think it looks cute. But I'm gonna try and see if I can push it up some. See if that'll give me a little shorter of a bang. I think it's cute. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? It's Is this a style that you can see yourself rocking? I totally like these two-piece bang and pony combo kits. These are so cute. Fast invisible ponytail look we just created. And if you don't like the position, unsnap and reposition. That's all you have to do. This is so easy and simple to do. I mean, this doesn't get any easier than this. And girl, not to mention cheap. Girl, for $12 we have an amazing little hairstyle. Super cute. Let me know what you think. If you like my honey bun, girl, my beehive, so pretty. I like it. I'm feeling it. She's cute. Guys, that is it for me. Let me know what you think of this two-piece bang and bun set for $9.99 that I picked up from my local beauty supply store. Was this a slay or just like a total nah, chick? I'm gonna pass on that high beehive looking bun. I'm gonna pass on it. Not for me. Not for me. Let me know what you think though. I'm feeling it. I'm loving it. I'm glad that I chose this color. Definitely something different to play with, switch my look up a bit. I do like it. Cute invisible ponytail. Very cute and fast. We did this like under an hour. Definitely didn't take an hour, maybe 20 minutes tops with the finagling and manipulation of our base, because this is an old base, remember. But yeah, I love it. Let me know what you think. Until next time, I will see you in my next video, and there will definitely be another video. Yes.